Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of adding, removing, and editing fields in ActiveCampaign. If you want to follow along, you can find a link in the description below to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. To get started, log into your ActiveCampaign account and navigate to the Contacts section. Click on Fields to access your custom fields. To add a new field, click the Add Field button. Here, you'll need to choose a group to categorize your field and select the field type from options like text, date, number, and more. After selecting these options, enter a name for the field and click Save. If you need to remove a field, locate it in the Manage Fields section, click the Delete icon next to the field, and confirm the removal. Be aware that deleting a field will also remove all data associated with it. To edit an existing field, click the Edit icon next to the field you want to modify, update the group or field type if necessary, make any other changes, and save them. And that's a wrap. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you'll learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. This training is completely free at the moment, so don't miss out on this opportunity. We're thrilled you joined us today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching.